Towards Sustainable Pharmaceutical Manufacturing, An Environmental Perspective. By Dr.Pooyan Ghamari, Swiss economist. As global environmental concerns intensify, the pharmaceutical industry is under increasing pressure to adopt sustainable manufacturing practices. This article explores the critical environmental issues facing the pharmaceutical sector and the strides being made towards more sustainable production methods, highlighting the industry's evolving role in ecological stewardship. Environmental footprint of pharmaceutical production. The process of producing pharmaceuticals, crucial for global healthcare, carries a significant environmental footprint. Key issues include greenhouse gas emissions, extensive water usage, and the generation of chemical waste. The industry faces the dual challenge of maintaining drug efficacy while implementing environmentally conscious manufacturing practices. Water management and pollution reduction. A primary environmental concern in pharmaceutical production is the potential contamination of water systems. Drug residues, including active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, can adversely affect aquatic ecosystems and may pose risks to human health. Progressive companies are focusing on reducing water consumption and enhancing wastewater treatment processes to address this concern. Energy efficiency, a path to sustainability. Energy consumption in pharmaceutical manufacturing is substantial, primarily due to the complexity of production processes. There is a growing shift towards implementing energy-efficient practices, such as the integration of renewable energy sources and the optimization of manufacturing operations, to minimize the industry's carbon footprint. Embracing green chemistry in drug manufacturing. Green chemistry is increasingly recognized as a crucial component of sustainable pharmaceutical manufacturing. This approach involves designing manufacturing processes that are environmentally benign, reducing the use of hazardous materials, and minimizing waste production. Adopting green chemistry principles represents a significant step towards reducing the environmental impact of drug production. Waste reduction and circular economy adoption. Minimizing waste generation is a key objective in sustainable pharmaceutical manufacturing. Companies are exploring innovative strategies for waste reduction, recycling, and reuse, aligning with the principles of a circular economy. This approach emphasizes the efficient use of resources and the maximization of their life cycle. Collaborative efforts for sustainable practices. Achieving sustainability in pharmaceutical manufacturing requires collective action and collaboration. Partnerships among industry players, regulatory bodies, and environmental organizations are essential for developing sustainable practices and technologies. Beyond compliance, voluntary environmental stewardship. While regulatory compliance is fundamental, many pharmaceutical companies are voluntarily embracing broader environmental stewardship. These initiatives demonstrate a commitment to sustainability that goes beyond legal requirements, reflecting a growing awareness of the industry's responsibility towards environmental conservation. Conclusion. The journey towards sustainable pharmaceutical manufacturing is both an environmental obligation and a strategic imperative. By adopting more eco-friendly practices, the pharmaceutical industry can significantly reduce its ecological impact, fulfill regulatory obligations, and respond to the increasing demand for environmentally responsible healthcare solutions. As the sector progresses, its commitment to sustainability will play a crucial role in shaping its future, with far-reaching implications for both the environment and global health.